This is how the gasket came. I ordered it through Amazon. Unfortunately, Amazon folded this box in half. I don't think it was supposed to be that way, and may have damaged the gasket here. There's a magnet material right in here, and it may have permanently bent that. I don't know, we'll have to see. I really pissed it. The way they folded this box up and crammed it into another box. It was a nightmare. So, that's the new gasket. And then what I've done is I've hung a blanket over the refrigerator because when I opened it, I was hoping to keep the cool air in. And then, of course, I have some chocolate chip cookies here that I made this morning just in case I need some extra strength for this project. All right, so let's go to work here. All right, so we open up the front door. Keep the cool air in. We just pull out this old gasket. There's a ridge in this plastic that holds it, and I'll show you this in a second why we're replacing this. See, what happened here is the vegetable drawer was hitting the gasket when you pulled out the vegetable drawer. The door would swing like this and hit the vegetable drawer, and it cut the gasket, so it was leaking. Okay, so let's take this new gasket. There's a little ridge in the back here. See if we can't get it to poke in there. It seems to go okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put the bottom in so that I don't end up coming up short or long. All right, now I'll just work my way up and down. Here's where it was folded in the box. See, it's not going in there. It's not going in correctly. Oh, come on. Yeah, right in here was where they over-creased the thing. The outside went okay. Okay, that's all good. Work my way back down. Yep. It's not going in. It's not staying in here. Okay, well, what I'm hoping is that over time this rubber will straighten out. I think it might make a seal. see. All right, we gotta look in here. I think that may seal. It's got a little bitty wrinkle there. We'll see if that releases after a while. All right, so that should be that. It's a very simple project. It's too bad Amazon screwed up my gasket. Otherwise, it'd be even more simple.